Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great Memorial Day weekend as we honor those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for our country. So hopefully I'll take some time this weekend and reflect on that. In the meantime, I want to talk to you a little bit, something that I've talked a little bit about before, but it just keeps getting more and more news. It's more and more of an issue, especially as we get closer and closer to the time where all this is going to happen. There's this looming in commercial real estate across the country and in Texas, this looming refinance coming. And as we all know, the terms for the conditions for a refinance are not great out there. You have interest rates have shot way up. There's a lot fewer lenders out there that are actually doing lending, and so with new rates that are going to be much higher than the original rates, a lot of these deals aren't going to work. And so we're going to have to kind of look at what do we do when that happens. And I just happened to be at a Bukowski Law Firm sponsored CCIM luncheon in North Texas the other day, and there were a bunch of lenders on the panel, and one of them said, "Oh, we're not going to be doing any more of this extend and pretend negotiation." I'm a little dubious of that. I think at the end of the day, they don't want to own this real estate. At least the traditional lenders. Now, third party lenders, that's a different story. But traditional lenders aren't going to want to own this real estate, and so I think you're going to see a time coming pretty soon where a lot of folks are going to be having to go to their lenders and do some renegotiation, and that's frankly, we've done this. We did it in '08, a lot of it then, starting to do some now. It's something that, having a lawyer along, and not to, toot our own horn, but having a lawyer along with you and really running these negotiations is really beneficial, I think, at least to help you along with it. It can help you organize, help you understand what your issues are in your current loan docs, and see what when you have these renegotiation terms, how they affect you and what the issues are going to be. So I think that's going to be a big area of business for a lot of, or area of concentration for a lot of people in the next coming year as these loans come due. And I, while the banks may say they're not going to renegotiate, I suspect a lot of them will, most of them will. And when you get to that point, it always makes sense to have a lawyer along with you. And we have a great Memorial Day weekend. And please follow our podcast and our YouTube channel and our weekly blog. Thanks a lot.